How to restart GTA Online career. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Let me move into one of the official article, which is gonna guide you with the step-by-step process on how you can easily restart GTA Online career. So this is one of the article which is gonna help you out. Scroll all the way down and you'll see the step-by-step process. The very first thing you wanna do is to create a new character. Creating a new character allows you to keep your GTA bank balance, but your character progress, properties, business, and rank will start from scratch. Well, the next thing you want to do is to delete your current character. In order to do so, go to Pause menu, Online, and then click on Swap Character. Select the character that you want to delete, press Delete, and then you will be good to go. Once done, the next thing you want to do is create a new Rockstar Social Club account. Head over to the official site of Rockstar Social Club account. Sign up with your new email address. Link the new account to a new console profile or Rockstar game launcher. Launch GTA game online with the new account, and after that, you will be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.